How to make more money with Doordash. Here are my top tips on how you can make more money as a Doordash driver. My first tip is to dash in busy areas. The more people who are ordering food, the more likely you are to get orders. Dash in areas with lots of restaurants and people, such as downtown areas, near universities, and in office complexes. You can use the Doordash app to see where the hotspots are. Hotspots are areas where there are lots of orders being placed. Dashing in these areas can increase your chance of getting orders. My second tip is to multi-app. You can use other food delivery apps such as Uber Eats and Grubhub to increase your chances of getting orders. This is called multi-apping. When multi-apping, be sure to check all of the apps for orders before you accept one. This will help you make sure that you are taking the best order possible. Now my third tip is to dash during peak times. The busiest times for Doordash are typically lunch and dinner, but there may also be peak times in your area during other times of the day, such as weekends or holidays. Dash during these times to increase your chances of getting orders. You can also check the Doordash app to see when the peak times are in your area. My fourth tip is to track your earnings. Keep track of your earnings so that you can see how much you are making and where you can improve. This will help you to make much more money in the long run. Tip number 5 is to accept orders that are worth your time. Don't accept orders that are too far away or pay too little. You want to only accept orders that are worth your time and effort. And you can use the Doordash app to see the estimated distance and pay for each order before you accept it. My sixth tip is to provide good customer service. This means being friendly, polite and reliable. It will also mean following the delivery instructions and taking care of the food. Good customer service will lead to more tips and repeat customers. You can also send a text message to the customer when you are on the way to their location. This will let them know that you are on the way, and it will also help to keep them updated on your ETA. My seventh tip is to be a top dasher. Top dashers are given priority for orders, and to become a top dasher, you need to maintain a high acceptance rate, a high completion rate, and a low cancellation rate. You can also keep your ratings high by providing good customer service. And the next tip is promotions. Doordash often offers promotions such as peak pay, which can increase the amount of money you earn per order. So be sure to check the Doordash app for promotions before you start dashing. And my final tip is to drive efficiently. If you use a car, use a fuel-efficient car and avoid traffic jams. This will help you to save money on gas and make more money per hour. So that is exactly how you can make more money with Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.